Hi guys, welcome again to my channel, and today we're going to talk about the amazing ways plants defend themselves. So let's get started. This is a tomato plant, and this is an aphid slowly killing the tomato plants by sucking the juice out of its leaves. The tomato is putting up a fight using both physical and chemical defenses to repel the attacking insects. But that's not all. The tomato is also releasing compounds that signal nearby tomato plants to release their own insect repellent. Plants are constantly under attack, and they face threats ranging from microscopic fungi and bacteria, small herbivores like aphids, caterpillars, and grasshoppers, up to large herbivores like tortoises, koalas, and elephants. All are looking to devour plants and access the nutrients and water from the leaves, stems, fruits, and seeds. The plants are ready with a series of internal and external defenses that makes them much less appealing or even deadly. Now, plants' defenses start at their surface. The bark of a tree trunk is full of lignin, that a rigid compound of compounds that is hard to chew and is highly impermeable to pathogens. Leaves are protected by a waxy cuticle that deters insects and microbes. Some plants go a step further with painful structures that would warn would-be predators. Thorns, spines, and prickles discourage bigger herbivores. To deal with smaller pests, some plants' leaves have sharp hair-like structures called trichomes. The kidney plant sports tiny hooks to stab the feet of bedbugs and other insects. In some species, trichomes also dispense chemical irritants. Stinging nettles release a mixture of histamine and other toxins that cause pain and inflammation when touched. For other plant species, the pain comes after an herbivore's first bite. Spinach, kiwi fruit, pineapple, fruitiza, and rhubarb all produce microscopic needle-shaped crystals called raphi. They can cause tiny wounds inside the animal's mouths and create entry points for toxins. The mimosa plant strategy is designed to prevent herbivores from taking a bite at all. Specialized mechanophore cells detect touch and shoot an electrical signal to the leaflet to its base, causing cells there to release charged particles. The buildup of charge draws water out of these cells. Then they shiver. The leaves close, and the folding movement scares insects away. And the shrunken leaves look less appealing to larger animals. If these external defenses are breached, the immune system springs into action. Plants don't have separate immune systems like animals. Instead, every cell has an ability to detect and defend against invaders. Specialized receptors can recognize molecules that signal the presence of dangerous microbes or insects. In response, the immune system initiates the battery of defensive maneuvers. To prevent more pathogens from making their way inside, the waxy cuticle thickens and the cell walls get stronger. Guard cells seal up pores in the leaves, and if microbes are devouring one section of the plant, those cells can self-destruct into quarantine and infection. Compound toxic to microbes and insects are also produced, often tailor-made for specific threats. Many of the plant molecules that humans have adopted as drugs, medicines, and seasonings are evolved as part of the plant's immune system because they're antimicrobial or insecticidal. The area of a plant under attack can alert other regions using hormones, airborne compounds, or even electrical signals. When other parts of the plant detect these signals, they ramp up production of defensive compounds. And for some species, like tomatoes, the early warning signs also alert their neighbors. Some plants can even recruit allies to adopt a stronger defense against their would-be attackers. Cotton plants under siege by caterpillars release a specific cocktail of 10 to 12 chemicals into the air. This mixture attracts parasitic wasps that lay eggs inside the caterpillars. Plants may not be able to flee the scene of an attack or fight all predators with teeth and claws, but with a sturdy armor and a well-stocked chemical seal, a neighborhood watch, and cross-species alliances, the plant isn't always an easy meal. So thanks for listening and goodbye!